My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible. All business owners are aware that if they have a website, it should produce SEO material. There's a bit more to it than that, though. You want people to be able to find your articles anywhere, not just on your website. When searching for information about your product or your business, you want people to locate the article on Google. When they go through the news stream on Facebook and come across anything interesting to click, you want them to locate your content there. In other words, you want your content to be widely accessible. Of course, half the battle is having optimal material available. Utilizing all options to spread your information so that everyone may view, read, like, share would be the next stage. Fortunately for you, there's several things that you can do to advertise your SEO content and assist in its expanding its readership. So here's a few. So say, for example, double check your work for accuracy. As much as possible, make sure that your SEO material is error-free. Take the time to edit it till it's flawless, because typos and errors might reflect poorly on your company. Number 2, improve your pictures and metadata. Make sure that your page has been correctly optimized for SEO throughout the board. Use relevant keywords in title tags, pictures, alt tags, URLs, and meta descriptions, among other places. Next, check your page settings. Make sure that you're given search engines permission to see your pages. You can do this under the website's SEO content settings section. This will guarantee that your potential clients can find your SEO material and that it's positioned as highly as possible in search engines. Next, share it on your social media. Sites make sure that you share your SEO material on your social media platforms when it's been published. This will spread the word and draw in new readers. Next, send out a newsletter with your content. Share your material with newsletter subscribers if you have any. This is a fantastic strategy for reaching your target market. Link it to all popular posts. Next, make sure to link any SEO content that's previously performed particularly well, if you have any. This can boost your content's search engine ranks and increase readership. Next, talk to those who leave comments. Look through the blog's comments area and respond to any readers who have something to say. This can inspire visitors to return in the future and help build community around your SEO content. Consider syndicating your SEO material to other platforms if you want to advance your content marketing strategies. You might be able to reach a wider audience and draw in more readers. As a result, take your articles to the next level. Next, blog posts and articles aren't the only kind of SEO content that can be used. Additionally, you can use it to make films, infographics, and other kinds of material. This can expand your readership and maximize the effectiveness of your SEO materials. Then, measure and analyze results in order to determine how well your SEO materials function. Make sure to examine the data. By doing so, you can monitor your development and identify what works and what doesn't. We can definitely assist you if you ever need SEO services. We specialize in creating and implementing powerful SEO strategies to increase your company's market presence and draw in more clients. We can provide you premium SEO material to raise your website's ranking and increase traffic. Your website will receive the traffic it deserves thanks to the efforts of our SEO professionals. So be sure to contact me if you ever need assistance. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBaronowski@Pristine Advisors. That's PristineAdvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBaronowski.com.